Power off and unplug the power cord. Remove the adjustment base, unscrew for screws. Pull out the screws and take off the waste baffles. Install the new waste baffles and insert the PTFE tubes and screws. Install the adjustment base and first pre-tighten the 4 screws. Note: put in the screw washers. Move the hot end to the nozzle wiping shrapnel. Make the nozzle contact with the shrapnel and tighten the 4 screws that fix the adjustment base. Move away the hot end. Self-check. Plug in the power cable and power on. Click Prepare. Calibration. Check all options and click Start Detecting. Wait for the machine self-check to complete.
Enter the Wiki official website to find more information.